So in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to file taxes on TurboTax Canada. So first, you just have to access your TurboTax account, and once you're in, you will see this page, which is your personal information, and after that, under your personal profile, you will see your info and revisit account, and once you click on that, you'll be filling out the text field and click on the continue. After that, enter your SSN or just even skip it for now. And after that, you will be going to select your state of residence. And after that, you will be going to scroll down and click on the continue. And then you just have to scroll it down and just fill out those informations and then click on the continue again. So basically, when you wanted to apply taxes on TurboTax in your specific country, just select the type of residency or which country you are currently living on. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.